Hey guys, this is Alrighty Then. Today we're going to be doing a box opening or open box, and also I'm going to review the Tenergy 11 watt LED desk lamp. The part number is PN59079. This was purchased from Amazon. I do not have any rights or any financial association with Tenergy. This is, me doing my thing and telling you about these products. That's what we do here. So this is the PN59079 by Tenergy. It's an 11 watt LED desk lamp. It has built-in charging port, so that's kind of cool. When you plug it in, you can have a little extra place to plug in your phones and things. It has a 530 lumen light. It has energy saving, long lasting. Let's talk about the specifications. Brightness, 530 lumens. Dimming level, it has 5 levels of dimming. Input is DC 12 volt or out. It says input DC 12 volt, so I guess you got a converter in there. Maximum wattage is 11 watts, adjustable arm. It'll go from 2700 to 6600K. 4 adjustable settings. Alright, so that's pretty much what it is. It's a nice, sleek looking LED desk lamp. This is Charlie. Charlie, you want to open the box? Huh? Let's open it. Alright, where do we open it from? Look, it's got a little handle like you would to work on your briefcase. Let's open it up. What is it, Charlie? Charlie, what is it? Look. Look, Charlie, what is it? See, we're going to open it up. So some assembly is required for the light. Charlie, don't fall off the table. So this is the desk lamp right here. It's really sleek. And these are the 4 settings that you press there. It's got a little USB port right on the edge of it. And it has 1 USB port. So it's not like it has 2 or 3, but just 1. But I guess that's all right. Charlie, why are you so jumpy? Why is so jumpy, Charlie? So this is the input. It's just a regular little converter. And here's my base. Charlie! So the base is quite heavy, so that way it keeps it nice and steady for you. So we have that. Don't miss out. Little instruction manual. Alrighty. Now let's put this bad boy together. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. You see that? Nice and shiny. Shiny, because I like my pretty lamp because it's... Charlie, where are you going? Here, you want to sit? Sit right there. Alright, sit. Sit, Charlie. Stay. You have to screw this off. Put it in the base, and then you screw that back up. Charlie, don't jump off of there. Okay. Now, once you secure that, it'll swivel. Okay, and like I said, this is it's pretty heavy, so it's not going to tip over. And you, look how it articulates. We can have it come all the way forward. All right, we can set it back and even close it. And turn it. All right, let's get all this stuff off. Ooh, Charlie, look at that. Are you even interested? Whew. Okay, so I have a plug right next to me. I'm gonna plug it in. And let me see, where is the plug? It goes right here. Plugs in right there. And this is your USB port right here. Okay? So it's nice and sleek. You can see all the little LED lights. So let's turn it on. Here's the power button. Ooh, look at that. Okay. And we can make it dimmer. 1, 2. That's it. Let's go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty bright. Really covers the desk. Now let me turn off the light so we can all see it. All right. So this is a Tenergy, 11 watts, man. That's all it's taking, 11 watts of power. Let's see. So I'm changing the color spectrum now. So here we have sleep. Ooh. So it's nice, get a red tone. Here's the second mode. Okay. Here's the third mode. That one's a little brighter, a little bit more blue light. And look at that, that's the last mode right there. On, off, 60 minutes. So it has a timer that you can leave it on for 6 minutes. So when you go to sleep, for example, you can have your sleep light, have it set for 60 minutes and it'll turn off by itself. Not bad. It's gonna go all the way bright, and let's go down. So this would be setting 1, setting 2, setting 3, setting 4, setting 5. So as a night light, it looks really nice. Look at that. This is the night light setting. It's not too bright. So I'm gonna point it at my face so you guys can see what it looks like, okay? Let's make it brighter now. See that? Can you see that? That's all the way. Here's the second light, third setting, and the last setting. And let's take it down. Cool. And then here you can see the actual lights themselves. Here's the sleep mode, second mode, third mode, fourth mode. See how the lights change in there? All right, well, nice, short and sweet. It articulates, it spins, it'll go where you want it. The base is steady, it's not gonna go anywhere. Do I recommend it? Yes, absolutely. And you can pick it up on Amazon for like 24 bucks. Pretty good. Awesome. Charlie, what do you think? You like it? You like it, Charlie? Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Let's go, Charlie.